guys, and welcome to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today I have a short, quick, fast little unboxing for you. It's not from Amazon Prime, that's just the box the guy chose to send it in. This is my opening knife today, which is my Spyderco Samak. Go. So here's what we got. This, well, it says it on the box. That was unexpected. Show over. This isn't a lint-free cloth, by the way. This feels like a thick, just rag. I mean, it's cool. See? But it's not like a lint-free cloth. Alright. And we have the knife. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Ferrum Forge Gent Select. It's not the original Gent. I think it's just a difference of carbon fiber. Ooh. So this is the Gent. I've been dying to get my hands on this because I knew that this was like a big deal. It's an S35 VN blade, carbon fiber scales on both sides, and a Ferrum Forge design mixed with mass drop. So the action on it's solid. The blade centering is solid. I don't think he cut anything with it. I think the dude just might have made a cut or two, I'm sure, but. It's a little toothy, but it's not bad. Get that out of here. So this is the Ferrum Forge Gent Select. Stainless steel. Pocket clips ambidextrous. To kind of put this, I don't feel like getting out the knife, but this is like the reminder of the Civivi Elementum, which I think the Civivi Elementum's slightly bigger. Yeah, pretty good looking. Small, compact, very gentlemanly. It has a feeling, it kind of reminds me of my QSP Penguin. Just in the size and the way the scales are kind of straight down. Obviously the Penguin, you don't have this choke up position, but so this is the Ferrum Forge Gent Select by Mastrap. That's all I got for you guys this morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and just have a great freaking night. It's Wednesday, by the way. Wednesday means it's Friday this week. Let's get through it, power through it, and go stuff our faces tomorrow. Peace out.